First, we will cover on how blood cells are formed. Blood cells develop from stem cells which are formed in the bone marrow of a person through a process called hematopoiesis. Through this process, stem cells can transform into either red blood cells, white blood cells, or platelets. After the red blood cells are formed, they circulate through the whole body constantly. But the two main organs involved with the movement of blood are the heart and the lungs. First, we will talk about the heart. The heart is a vital organ in our body. First, the oxygen-poor blood, which is represented by the blue candy, enters the heart through the right atrium and moves into the right ventricle of the heart, which is shown. After reaching the right ventricle of the heart, they are pushed into the pulmonary arteries in the lungs, allowing the blood cells to pick up the oxygen. After returning from the lungs, the oxygen-poor blood is transformed into oxygen-rich blood. The blood then travels back to the heart through the pulmonary veins and into the left atrium to the left ventricle of the heart. They are then sent out the left ventricle and out to the body's tissues and aorta as oxygen-rich blood. Next, the lungs. The lungs are also an extremely important organ in the body. The blood cells are pumped from the heart through the pulmonary arteries, as said before, to the lungs, allowing the exhale of carbon dioxide and the inhale of oxygen. After becoming oxygen-rich blood, it returns to the heart and goes out to the body tissues, as shown before. Basically, after becoming oxygen-rich blood, their main job is to carry the oxygen to the body tissues to be used. After, they would return back to the heart with collected carbon dioxide and other waste gases to repeat the cycle again and again. This is why both the heart and lungs are such important organs in your body.